I'll do again. Just shut it all down. I'm just tidying up. This is what it sounds like now. Just for here, I can compare it. See, this video is so that I can compare the sound of the engine to what it sounded like before. So that's what it sounds like now. Fortunately, I've now got an ABS light on. I haven't actually gone anywhere and I didn't have an ABS problem before it pulled into a garage. So that's a strange one. So I'll have to figure that out with code reader. But other than that, the engine's working alright. That's what it looks like. Weird how it does that sort of revving sound when you get it up to 2,000 RPM. It bounces about like a Formula 1 car. Don't know why. Not a smooth transition like it is on a Rover. Jumps up from two and a bit and goes up like a Formula 1 car. But now it doesn't stall out on me, whereas it was stalling out before when the timing was wrong. But now the timing's right and it actually sounds alright compared to what it sounded like before. But now, like I said, I've got to sort out my ABS problem. Oh, and I've got to put stereo code into stereo. There you go, not a bad little quick repair. Now I know I'll be able to drive a little bit further without it destroying itself. So, just another one of them reminders for my son and anybody else. And then eventually it comes up to that again. You think, damn, what am I going to do with that? I've got a code reader that reads it. Why did he invent that light bulb that annoys you?